Bagi sebenarnya our chief guest is in our midst. Thank you, sir, and welcome to Kuala Stadium. Today is the final day of FIFA football. Sini narwai rok tati kathar mesengna ni bagai pangai tong ayang sati pasing si ponok di ayang sati ready kaijak monbati loge tongo sini Maharaj tapi loge tongo CM tai sini narwai tongo sini Baisung Butia Barat Hakoto ni football kereng ebake kesam kapten Indian team ni Baisung Butia bo Paiso Paijak belai kana sini nainai rok kapal kaham ebake tong thogo jeng bo hai borong man mani bagai tabo majasak somani resamung Folk Music College by hello
Actually, 3-4 बॉल आके यहाँ टिक कर देता ना अच्छा out of it.
Oh ya sekarang. Ada bos. Ada atas. Sapos kamu prem. I love you so much, Bagra. I love you.
Actually 3-4 बॉल लाके यहाँ
हाँ नहीं है
Kata kone kamera raw nang nasi. Kamera nang nasi.
Halo, kau
Yang tadi trophy tuan tadi punya kita whole team. Please come. Dolai team, please come and receive your trophy.
Team player, kapan team player?
Yeah. Then first runner-up will be given by our Bubakra. Champion will be given.
লাগাও লাগাইলে আমি কমো আইলে কমো লাগাও লাগাও
Second runner-up. Second Bubakra. That is for the West Zone. West Zone ni sama receive kena. Hari hati.
হ্যালো
West Zone ni sama who's going to receive. This will be given by our chief guest, Sri Baichung Bhutia, our Sasana Trophy. Thank you. Honorable EM Sports and Affairs. Honorable EM Sports and Affairs. Our Sasana Trophy. Thank you.
বুমুং সাই হরতো
Some of us, Sumai, Sanjoy Jamantia, Gumitini.
Deputy CM. First runner-up.
Deputy CM. First runner-up, West Zone. West Zone prize money. West Zone, please come and receive West Zone prize money na pwede. West Zone apni ja bolo champion ne bagay.
চলো চলো
West Zone na pwede. Apnor nice Deputy CM Boromana Onimes Boroma.
ডান ডান
Tabo West Zone. This trophy will be given by our Bubakra. This is first runner-up. Tipra Football League 2021 under 19.
তুমি মারতো না বুঝছি
जगह करो बहुत भीड़ बहुत हो गए सब आते रहते पास में पहले से बोल रहे थे
লড়াই না ভাই লড়াই না
Tabo prize money given to Bubakra EM Sports. After this,
হ্যাঁ
we will give away the prize money to the champion. And prize money for first runner-up will be given by Deputy CM. And second runner-up will be given by Honorable EM Abhijabuti Education. The football star of India. This is the champion trophy. Our champion trophy Mata Gumuti Sri Palle
হ্যালো
by scoring 3 goals against West Zone. Tinta gol dulu by West Zone lawan Mesenta. Gumuti tim road berkali player semua ganti-ganti. Champion trophy. Ini ya dulu.
পানি পানি
Prize money.
হ্যাঁ গো কোনটা বন্ধ করি তো ধাক্কা নামার
The football star of India. This is the champion trophy. Our champion trophy Mata Gomoti Sri by scoring 3 goals against West Zone. Tinta goal menang by West Zone Mesenta. Gomoti team rock berkali player semua ganti-ganti. Champion trophy. Ini ya dulu.
Bani.
Prize money.
হ্যাঁ গো কোনটা বন্ধ করি তো ধাক্কা নামার
Wilano, Joto, Ciri, Video di sana panggil Adom sana belakan hambai. Dia Ciri Bubagra yang naikol hambai ini program yang sukses mereka. Awalnya agak Cina lah Chief Guest mangga pernah Cini India football Cini former captain Mr. Baichu Mutia, bono belakan hambai. Dia Ciri Joto yes, dia Cini honorary CM Cini, honorary deputy CM Joto leader so belakan hambai. Joto ni coba mana hidup ini, tournament sukses mereka. Palungi salmu mereka. Akan itu bukan buat apa agulane. You not drag the youth sampai. Tapi ini jadi no. The project kami itu jodoh sukses bersama. Jodoh hambai, belakan hambai.